Hello everyone, and today I'll be making garlic and herb chicken thighs, which are keto friendly and low sodium. So let's get started. So I've cut up I have 7 pieces of chicken thighs which I've removed the skin and excess fat and cleaned with lime juice. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of sunflower oil. This was an impromptu recipe, but I would usually use extra virgin olive oil, but I ran out of that. You could use a heart-healthy oil like avocado oil or olive oil, or just use sunflower oil if that's your preference. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sea salt and just crack that all over. You can use regular salt if you like, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper as well. You can freshly crack your pepper if you like, or use cayenne pepper, but I prefer black pepper. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. If you don't want to use garlic powder, you can go in with about 4 cloves of garlic, some herbs, salt and pepper, and any oil of your choice, and make a marinade. But I prefer not to do that because whenever I do that, I realize that the marinade burns before the chicken actually cooks. And I'm going to add some mixed herbs, which consists of thyme and oregano and basil, but you can add any herbs of your choice. Now I'm going to go in with my impeccably clean hands and just massage that seasoning all over. If you don't like touching raw meat, you can always go with gloves, but I'm cooking for myself, so I don't need gloves. So I placed my chicken on an oven-proof tray, and I'm going to place it in an oven that's been preheated to 200 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. And this is the finished result. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Click on my post notification bells to be aware whenever I post. And goodbye.